haircut definitely gives me a sense of maturity. Look at how put together I am. So it turns out that my little viewers are kind of detectives, and in my dyeing video where I, kind of dyed my hair, I actually was wearing extensions in the outro. I was hoping you wouldn't see it because that was kind of unrelated to the video, but you guys still kind of found out. But anyways, so those extensions are going to be put to use in this video. So if you have a set of extensions that maybe do not blend as well, or maybe recently you just decided to get yourself a blunt haircut that makes any set of extensions unblendable, I got you covered. And by I got you covered, I mean I got myself covered, because no extensions blend with this, which is fine. I like the short hair. Bahahat. Recently I noticed that the ponytail hairstyle is kind of, I don't know, is it not trending anymore? Which is sad because they're sassy and they're cute. So today I want to try bring them back some way. These are the extensions in question. Most of my extensions are by my lover, my baby, Vpfashion.com. I love my extensions from there. I get all my extensions from there, so hello. And today I'm going to be rocking them. Oh god. These are extensions that I custom dyed. Clearly I must be a bit colorblind because this is blue and not lavender. It's okay though. But the top part of them blend really nicely with kind of my own. So these are going to be forming my beautiful sassy ponytail. All the extension details will be down in the description box below. As you know, I've got my coupon code, so you can find that there. I want to show you how to style 3 different ponytails. Yes? Alright, let's go. Ha! Okay, so with the ponytails, you can obviously just wear it like this. It's super cute, super fun. It's very cheerleader-esque. If you sleek back everything, it would make a really, really good kind of Kim Kardashian sleek ponytail look. But we're taking it up a couple notches, Nacho girl, nacho cheese. So you could do this with extensions, or if you have, naturally long hair without extensions. So this is it. Really, really cute. Really, really super simple. I know you probably already know how to do this without my guidance, but I just like the idea of a braid but pulled out, so it's kind of like a pancake braid, very loose, very chic, very hipster tumbler, that's what I call it, the hipster tumbler hairstyle. Cool, so I hope cool. So I hope you enjoyed this video. These are very, very simple hairstyles. These are nothing over the top. These are some things that if you personally have like really long hair that you don't want to cut but you don't know how to style, this would be great for that. Or, you know, if like me, you chopped off your hair before you could wear the extensions and now they don't blend. I hope this could have been of some help. I kind of did this video for myself so that whenever, you know, I want long, luscious, beautiful locks, I know how to style it. So. Vpfashion extension links will be down in the description box below. I also have a coupon code for you guys so that if you want to pick up your own set, you can. I believe these are the longest they have, and I mean, they're pretty damn long, so I really like long, luscious, sex bomb hair. Alright, I am off now because I have other things to do, I think. I would like to think so anyways. Yeah, okay, cool. I will see you in my next video. Bye! I am the sun. I am not the sun. I am trying to be the sun and I'm not. Oh, look, I blended in to the background. Help.